still in Florida, and this time we've got BurgerFi. I don't think I've seen any of these by me over in San Francisco. I think they're only out here on the East Coast, just like Freddy's is. But yeah, I haven't ever seen any out there in San Francisco or California, but doesn't matter, because we're here now and they've got it here now. Holy crap, I can't get this out of here. It's really stuffed it in here. Some Cajun fries with some ketchup, barbecue sauce, hot sauce. We've got the burger on the bottom here. If you can get that out. There it is. Woo! BurgerFi. All right, let's check this out. BurgerFi has a few veggie burgers, and there's one specifically vegan burger. It's with a Beyond Patty. You have to order it saying you want it vegan. They'll put the Beyond Patty in there. They'll take the cheese out, the mayo out, swap it for ketchup and mustard, and they'll even put it on a special bun because I think their normal bun contains dairy or some kind of animal product in there. But here it is, vegan BurgerFi burger. Ooh-hoo-hoo. Comes with lettuce, tomato, onions, pickles, and I added some grilled mushrooms in there. Could definitely smell that Beyond Patty. Woo! Smells good. These Cajun fries reminds me of Five Guys. Those out. Get the sauces out of there. Zooks, man, I hate when places do this. In-N-Out does this. They put the napkins with your fries, get all oily. BurgerFi. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try this thing as is first. Just the veggies, added grilled mushrooms, that ketchup and mustard. BurgerFi, woo, going in. So good. I really love seeing the Beyond and Impossible everywhere, and I love tasting how it tastes slightly different at all these different places, because you definitely taste the Beyond. I mean, there's no hiding that Beyond flavor, there's no hiding that Impossible flavor, but I feel like every place that has it kind of puts their own spin on it, and I really like that. That's why I love trying them. I don't mind that so many places have it, because even though it's familiar, it's still a little bit different at the same time, which is nice to keep things fresh. I know more and more places are getting the Beyond, getting the Impossible patties for their burgers, but I do like seeing when places make their own house-made patty like Freddy's. I love trying and seeing what different places do and can whip up themselves. A lot of the times, they're just as good as the Beyond and Impossible, and as much as I love those two options, sometimes they're even better. I'm all about trying everything that's out there, and a lot of it always ends up being good. Come on! All right, now let's throw a little barbecue on there. Oh yeah, a little hot sauce too. Get that going. All right, cleanse my palate.
Yeah, I mean, Hernandez, he pushes.
That's good barbecue sauce. I don't know if it's house made or what, but that's really good. Really good. This is seriously reminding me a whole lot of how I used to order my burgers from Five Guys before I went vegan, especially considering I'm eating them with these Cajun fries. Oh, so good. Seriously tastes like Five Guys. Don't you think?
It smelled like it to me. That's why I was like,
And you could also have other toppings thrown on here, just like have Five Guys. You could put jalapenos. What else was there? Relish, sauerkraut, ton of stuff. Lot of good options. And it's great to see more and more options like this becoming available everywhere. It's slowly tipping the scales to where instead of it being considered psycho to be vegan, it's more psycho not to be. And you'd be psycho not to try any of these great options. If you love burgers, you'll love this one. You done good, BurgerFi. You done good. Love burgers, love Beyond Burgers, and now that I've tried it, Gotta say, I think I love BurgerFi.
If you're a vegan who used to love Five Guys, this reminded me a whole lot of it, and they were one of my favorite fast food burgers, so I definitely recommend giving this one a go from BurgerFi. Solid option for super satisfying fast food fuel.
And for fit tips and workouts on how to use all this super fuel to build a super body, make sure to check out and subscribe to our Zero to Hero Muscle channel, where we cover gym and home workouts and everything in between for people with gyms and without anything. So make sure to subscribe over there to get started on getting into better shape with whatever you have without any problems. And to get fully structured and complete training programs, head over to our official website to find the right one for you.
For all the best ways you could be supersizing and super shredding your superhero physique for the ultimate zero to hero transformation.
If you enjoyed this super vegan video, make sure you Hulk smash that like button. Share the video to spread the vegan vibes and help keep the Super Vegan Squad going and growing. Leave some comments below about some of your favorite vegan eats. And again, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Until next time, Super Squad, go vegan and go well. Peace.